Hello everyone, this is Azhar and today we are going to talk about Lulu. Lulu is American publishing company and it came into being on 2002 by Bob Young. And the good thing about this is that it has got from 5,331 people, they have reviewed them 4-star. 59% they have given them 5-star. So this is good company for the paperback publishing. So today I'm going to talk about paperback publishing. Okay, so when you will create account on lulu.com, you go to, let me start from the start. You go to Lulu. So after creating an account, you will see your projects over here, right? So what you do click here, create project. When you click on create project, this will appear. The options, they are giving you option for the paperback, print book, photo book, magazine, comic book, yearbook, calendar, ebook. What kind of book you would like to design, make, or whatever. Select it. I select print book because this video is for the print book only. Then on the next step, they ask you a goal, what you want to do with that. You want to publish? Yes, I want to publish. Or you want just print your book? I want to publish my book. Some people, they just want to print their book and just keep them in their shelf, as I do with my author copies. So here I want to publish, and they will publish to Lulu Direct, Lulu Bookstore, Lulu Direct, e-commerce store, and also global distribution. It means sell your book through 40,000 plus global retailers using Lulu's distributive services. 40,000 global retailers. Book details. This is the book I'm going to talk about in the following few videos in making it in different platforms. Self-publisher paperback. The book name is Self-Publisher Paperback. Subtitle is Publication Guide. So this book guide you by telling you the number of self-publishing companies available where you can publish your paperback. English, you have to select here your language. I've selected English because the book is in English. Book category, my book category is reference book. From the list of categories, I found it to be most relevant. Then you click here, add copyright information. See, these are the steps we have to follow. Now we are on the copyright. So for copyright, you have to write the title, the subtitle, you have to fill it, what kind of edition it is. I have written special edition, selected author Azharul Aksario, copyright Azharul Aksario, year 2024. I've selected that. ISBN, I have used their ISBN, although they have given me an option that if you have, you can write it your own, but I want to use their free ISBN because ISBN is very costly. I will tell you in the later videos. They have given me their ISBN, which is just for my book. Okay, I have downloaded it. I can download them and place them on the back of my paperback cover. See how good. This is extra facility I haven't seen in other publishers. In this page, which is design, They are talking about uploading your bag. I know there's some issue with my book, and it is not a big issue. It is some fonts are not embedded in your PDF. Don't worry, we will attempt to embed them for you. Okay, I don't worry. Please note that what video has been added to your file. The book will show you this video impacts your file if you large amount content. They are giving you notices after uploading the book. Some issues with the formatting. This is called formatting issues, not content issue. So I already opened. See, they are giving me help, so I have used that help. I clicked over here how to do this, and they have made the video to explain it to me. I will watch it later and I will correct it. I will watch this also and I will correct this also. So this is how they are helping you along the way. So here they have given me upload option. I uploaded my paperback final here, and it consists of 148 pages. You can use PDF creation guide. They must have written it for the reader, for the authors to follow. It is see, I didn't follow them, so I got the formatting issue. Okay, so now I will do this formatting thing, whatever they are telling me, and again they have given me a specific links to follow to correct my issue, and which is very good. Okay, then on the next step, which is book specification. You have to select your book specification. I've selected my book specification is 6.14. My book is 6.14 by 9.21 inches. My total is 148 pages. After that, you have to select the interior color. What kind of color you want? Premium color, color standard. I would just want simple black and white standard, because my book is text. There are no images in the book, so I just want simple. Cream, I thought to try this time cream, otherwise I usually go for white, because I will tell you later why. Because in this platform you must order proof copy in order to enable the distribution, global distribution. You must order proof copy from them, and it will cost you they charge you the double amount. For example, in Amazon copy is like mostly 3.5, but they have an average cost of 7. So if you are just adding the 7 plus the shipping cost, they are using the FedEx, which is most expensive, UPS FedEx. So that would add you like $20 for one book to get it distributed in the market, which is the one drawback. Okay, then book binding, I will go for paperback, although they have given me hardcover and linen wrap, but I will go for paperback. Here cream I selected. Fifth, finish, glossy. Let's go for glossy. Glossy is like shiny. See, I told you. The print cost according to them is 7.16, but usually in Ingram or in Amazon, the top companies of the world, they have like 3.68, 3.8, maximum 4, maximum. But their print cost of one book, just print cost, is 7.16, which is pretty much double the price of what usually others are charging. That's what I was telling you. Book cover design, you can upload your own cover over here, or you can use their design tool to create cover. I would suggest to go with them, because as you can see, I just uploaded my ready-made PDF file, and they have taken issues, embedded issue, bleed issue, and now I have to watch video and everything to go and just to make it perfect. So for cover, they must have rules for trim size and for so many sizes, which they have described in the book creation guide. Right, they have book creation guide where they have told rules about PDF book and cover and everything. So if you are making cover by yourself, you have to follow this book creation guide. They must have you see cover layout. So you have to read it, spine width and everything, spine width calculation. You have to do that. See, it's such a long thing to do, and it is ideal for those who are experts. And you have to use these specialized tools to make the cover. And why not use their design tool? To use their, as I have already used their design tool and created the cover myself, so we can, just to show you how it is done again, let's do revise your cover. So this was not before, and I have made it everything. I just needed the specific size, this thing, and I have put everything in between. Let me help you how to do it. See, they've placed barcode by themselves. You go to images, you upload image. Sorry, I won't be opening it now on because of the privacy issue, but I already edited pictures from different parts of the computer, and then I have just clicked that picture and drag it over here. I just click it, it appear here, and I just drag it over here. That's simple. I just click on text, I just click text, and it appears over here. So wherever I want this text to be, I just put it there, and I have written information. So this is my new book which is coming in the market. It is called Self-Publisher Paperback Subtitle Publication Guide. So I am a best-selling author, and no doubt few of my books have been sellers in the Amazon or in other markets. I have SEC, MBA, and technical skills certification, and 10 years of business experience, 318 plus business book titles on Goodreads. Okay, I have advertised myself also. Let's go back. We will click there, generate my cover. Okay, I think you got everything right. We just have to click here. I have made this picture by myself, so I have taken this picture, I have edited everything. So you have to do this thing. If you are not doing it, you just place any picture, random picture over here, and click text, click here and just write, click here text, drag it over here and then write. See, easy. So generate and generate. Now because I use their tool, I don't think I won't be having any issues, formatting issue as I had with the BTF. I will check it and correct those formatting issues later on. You can also download it for your copy for yourself, print ready cover file. which you can open and see. This is how it looks like. It looks good, right? Okay, let's go back to where we were. Here, book preview. They have shown you book preview. See, if you were to making this video by a picture by yourself, you have to see margin, bleed, fold, trim, so many things. But if you're using the creator, so it is, everything is done perfectly. And this is self-publisher paperback. This is they are showing me a review of my book, so I'm reviewing my book over here. Let's do zoom out one more time. Right, these are the paperback industries or farms I've discussed in my book. So I will select some of them and I will explain it to you. Okay, how to do publishing there. You can also download print ready PDF file for your record, but I will open it later. Now I don't need it. Add details. You have to write a book description over here, long description, which appears in the product page of any website. Description. This is optional, I left it. This is optional, I left it. Lulu bookstore category, reference, specific category, publishing industry, authorship, small. It is easy to add. You just have to type it and they will give you suggestion and you have to select it from there. Keywords. After typing one keyword, press comma and you just keep on typing it. It's up to you. They are allowing you 50 keywords. Audience, what kind of audience this book is for. I have selected general and trade. Add pricing now. We are over here. There are two kinds of pricing you can do. Revenue goal. What's your revenue goal? How much you want to earn? So they will set the price accordingly. Mine is fixed list price. Fixed list price. They have shown me a minimum price. They suggested me to keep 14.32 for USA, for Europe, for Australia, Great Britain, Canada. They've given me different minimum prices, and I have to set my profit, and then I have to add the final price. See, I've just added $3 to $4 profit, which is normal, 3 to 4 or 2 to 3. So this is how they calculate revenue, your estimated revenue from the Lulu bookstore. This is list price. You select it, minus print cost, which is the cost just to print your book. Gross profit, then Lulu share. Lulu is taking their share 2.57, and then this is your revenue. If the book is ordered from the Lulu bookstore, if the book is ordered from Lulu, direct revenue example is this. For global distribution, it is many of us, we are interested only in this. List price minus print cost, it is a distribution cost. Distribution fees, minus distribution fees, minus distribution fees 10, this is extra, is equal to gross profit minus Lulu's share. So you are left with only 2.26 revenue. So I'm earning $2 only in one book. Okay, so they are saying your share is 100%. Okay, I know my share is 100%. I've already seen this. So I know my share is 100%. Okay, fine. Because Lulu share, you see, Lulu share, yeah, Lulu share. And then also I'm told, but this is not for Lulu. Let me tell you, it is for if you want to like, there are many people who are interested in, who are working together, right, in a book project. They are working together. So what they do, that they want the payment to be given to each one of them separately. So so you have to create a new payee, right? For example, one is as a 100% share. Then I will create new payee, anyone. For example, my friend Mezol. So we will do 50 me, 50 him. So likewise, they will send us share accordingly. Final review. We are done. Okay, ISBN, book size, page count, interior color, paper type, and then its copyright, and then book details, and then categories, and then pricing for USA, for USA market, for Europe market, for Australia market, for Great Britain market, for Canadian market. This is your revenue if sold in Lulu bookstore. Very unlikely, I hope. I don't know. This is what we are interested in. I'm not sharing my this $2 with anyone, so 100%. Here, if I click here, confirm and publish, it will be published. But as you know that I have to do some working on my book embedded here. I want to make it perfect, not to leave it now and then they come up with the problem later. I don't want that. So I will do this, but I will let me tell you one more thing. First, this you will just click. For example, it is perfect. You click here, confirm and published, and then it will be over here. For example, I have written Cancer Innovation book. I have with them Mother Journey. I dedicated this book to my mother. Unexplained World Wonders. And see, they rejected this book. This book is approved for global distribution. This book has error. And the good thing is that if they are saying rejected, doesn't mean that as I told you, you have to pay them to get the global distribution. After I click the OK, confirm, publish, it is just for the Lulu. Okay, then I have to buy that book from Lulu as a proof copy in a print cost and also print cost plus shipping cost, because we are living in an international country. So shipping cost is what matters most, what makes the case worse. So last time I ordered this book, my father's book. I dedicated this book to my father, Haq Saro, and my mother, and it cost me $30. $30 just at print cost. Yeah, I got this at print cost. Oh, see, this print cost is lower. Sorry, I said it always charge 7, but no, this time it is 4. This time it was 7, and this time it was 7. This time it was 14, because this book is very complicated and very huge, and it brings big changes, I hope, in cancer innovation. So I paid $14 to enable distribution. Global, I paid $8 to enable global distribution. I paid $8, $7.66 to enable global distribution. I paid $4.46 to enable global distribution. But my friend, plus shipping cost. Shipping is usually the most expensive thing. It is double the amount of the book. For example, 8, 7.5 or 9. So shipping in my country would be like for all these books. I usually obviously I didn't bought all these for 30, but I bought 2 books plus shipping, and it cost me like, if the book cost me it was $30. No, it was more than that. It was $60. Yeah, it was $60, which I have paid for 3 books. Yeah, for 3 books I paid $60, and $60 I have to pay for this book also, in order to make it go for the global distribution. But they will check it, like they've checked this one. I passed this one, and they've checked this one, and this one I haven't even see. This is a thing. Purchase a copy to review, approve to continue with global distribution. This is what I was talking about. First you have to purchase a copy to review. Like you just have to purchase a copy for 7.54. See, this is average for 7.54. This is ebook. For ebook also you have to pay, right? Ebook is also not free for distribution. You have to pay them for ebook. For print book, I paid them 7.54. I have option till 6 months. Till 6 months they are keeping this with themselves, and they are alerting you, purchase a copy to review. Once you purchase the copy, and you have to just the button will appear here, order approved copy. First you order it. Let's try it, fun fake ordering. Okay, let's try this. Let's do this or fake ordering. So this is how it is. Okay, you have to buy this. Then you have to check out my country details, and my details will be open, so I don't want that. But it will be added the shipping cost, and then the matter will be worse. It is a must. Amazon never asks you to do that. No one does. Even Ingram just gave you option. If you do good, don't. It's okay, no problem. But for continuing with the global distribution, you have to purchase the copy. Once you purchase it, here then you click enable global distribution. Then it will be in distribution. It will be in pending, another status, pending. In pending they are checking everything. For example, they have checked this book and they have rejected it because I have formatting issue. I will click there. Good thing is, there is also a good thing, and the good thing is that I got to know where my problem lies, right? I know what's my problem. So see, order proof of I did, then I put it false. What's my problem is, so I can work on that. See, this is my problem. They have highlighted that they have rejected my book because of missing ISBN in interior and or cover. So they have given me option. In Ingram, we don't know what's our issue. They have just catalog integrity appeal page. In that they have given they just said the fixed 6 to 7 reasons. But here they are telling you the specific issue with your file. This is amazing. This is very positive for us authors to be working on our issues. So now I know where to work on, and then after I correct it, what I will do, I will revise it. I will click here and I will upload a revised file, and they will check it, and after they check it they will enable it for sure, because I have corrected it, my error. So my friend, that's Lulu for you. Lulu is a good company. It's I've told you, I think 4 stars maybe it has in Trustpilot. People are trusting it, and they are giving it such a huge number, such a huge star. Sorry, don't you think 4 stars from 5,000 plus people? Amazing. 59% has given it them 5 stars. So it is a must publish company, but there's cost attached, and obviously you won't be ordering one proof book before it to be going for a global distribution, because you have to order a proof copy in paperback. It will be delivered to your house, so there will be a taxes, there will be a shipping cost, there will be a handling cost, there will be all of these costs comes with it. So you have to think about that likewise, whether to go for it or not. But yes, they have 40,000 retailers with them in global distribution. They are telling you a specific issue if they are rejecting your book. I'm not sure whether if I will revise this my issue, whether they will charge me or it is free. Let me see. Okay, let me see whether they are charging it or not. If they are charging again for the revision, so it is very expensive. If they are not charging and they are just saying we have rejected it, so just change it, so it is good. Okay, so I don't see where ISBN issue is. I just see that I see there is ISBN. I have put it on the cover, and I believe I put it not over here. See, ISBN is missing over here. Otherwise it is okay. So my friend, this is Lulu. Lulu is good. Lulu has some issues. Lulu has some pros, cons. If you want, they have 4 stars, and it is American company, good for public paperback distribution because of their huge network of 40,000 retailers around the world. Okay, so good luck. See you in the next video.